this is the final product we have obtained. Now these are the ingredients we have used. This is mixed seeds, oranges, chia seeds, powdered sugar or grinded sugars. Then we have used cashews, almonds, raisins, etc. So let's start this process. At first we are taking bajra millet, which is help in anemia patients, relieving menstrual cramps, aiding breast milk production. Now we are taking foxtail millet, which is a good source of iron and folic acid. Now we are taking jowar millet, which is high in protein content and full of iron, good for bone health as it also controls blood sugar level. Now we are removing impurities and dirt if present. So we are washing all the three millets. We can wash it 2 to 3 times so that no impurities or dirt is present. Now we are taking the millets so that we can roast it for some time so that removal of moisture, or we can say that we can dry the millets, and it will also helpful in grinding the millets. Now we are measuring the chia seeds. Then we are measuring the mixed seeds. Now we are roasting all the seeds we have taken so that we can enhance the nutritional value and enrich the nutritional value. As we know that chia seeds help in regulating hormones and normalize menstrual flow. Now we are grinding the seeds. As we know that chia seeds is a great source of calcium, and mixed seeds contain sesame seed, hemp seeds, etc. Now we are taking grinded sugars and we are also roasting oats. Now we are grinding the oats and we are taking the millets that we have powdered it. And we are using sieving here so that no lumps is present and we can obtain the fine powder. Now we are extracting the orange juice. Now we are roasting the dried fruits and we are adding the dried powder fruits. Now we are adding powdered sugar. Now we are making the sugar syrup where we are adding all the blended items. Now we are adding choco powder so that we can obtain the choco bar, which is very helpful. Now we are adding butter for flavor, as it is very friendly for people who have PCOs. Now we are making another flavor, that is the orange flavor, where we are giving the extracted orange juice. Now we are adding honey for flavor, and the final product is here. This is slicing of the product, and you can see this is the final product. This is the orange flavor. And after that we are packaging the product, as we know that packaging is must in food product development. And this is the final product we have obtained. Thank you.